revolution will be televised.
Hey, wake up! It's your boy Jay, and we're back with another episode of Jpegsrawmedia. Now we have some more budget items for you to begin your YouTube channel that you may soon want to begin with in the future. We are using the boy Mike from our last unboxing, and here we have another unboxing for you today with the Neewer strobe lights or softbox light, whatever you want to call them, just to add some more fill light in to my videos. Again, from our last review, we did not really a review, but we did an unboxing where we unboxed the stand and the mic, and I'm using that, so I'm hoping that my sound levels are more level, and also there's a steadiness to my camera angles that I will show you in this video. But right now we have this nice big box right in front of me. Got it in a couple of days ago, and yeah, let's jump into this box. Got the unboxing gloves. You know, we can't do an unboxing without the unboxing gloves. I actually picked this up from Amazon. The Germany version, as you our guys may know by now, may not know, I live in Holland, so pick this up from Amazon, but it's the Germany version for about 54 euros. But I also saw it on Amazon.com for about 45 to 50 bucks. I'll put the link in the description below. But I just really want to get into this because I'm really excited to be adding some more lights and stuff like that to my setup. So let's see how this is gonna work. I just dug right into that. Hope I didn't mash up anything. Oh wow, it's interesting, guys. It comes with a really cool case, guys. A really cool case. It feels very sturdy, a little bit mid-quality. You know what we do with the boxes? We just shove them to the side. Why it's not up? Just get into this, man. What's going on here? Let's see. Where's the zipper? Unboxing gloves are giving me a little bit of shit, guys. Let me just take these off. Wow. Okay. So let me get in this first box. We got a stand in this first box right here. You know what we do, guys? We just throw those boxes to the side. It's not necessary. We don't need it right now. They packed this thing really well. It's packed really well, I must say. Everything's holding inside. Let's see what's going on here. Get another stand. Sure, that's inside. And I guess these are the bulbs, the bad boys. And each one of these guys will provide you with around 350 watts of power, giving you a total from the two lights of 700 watts. So there's one bulb, they're intact. Like I said, they packed this in very well. Oh, look, we have number 2 right here, guys. We're looking good. We're cooking on gas. Let's just take a look at the case. Like I said, it's very good for the price. I think it's enough insulation to keep your gear safe. All right, let's just put this to the side. And here we have the box itself with all of its connections. Yes, same thing in the other box you get to. Like I said, each bulb gives you around 350 watts, giving you a combined power of 700 watts. And yeah, this is all what you get in the box. Of course, you can't forget the case. What I'll do is I'll just set it up, and then we'll test it out and see what it looks, guys. I'll be right back. Now, this is how the setup is right now. We're in my living room. I have off most of the lights. Well, yeah, all of the lights basically. It's night here. We have one softbox on this side, running straight up in the roof, mounting some light down, giving me some light behind me. And then we have one light on this side of me right here, just giving me some soft light. The light in my estimation is still a little bit too harsh, but just for first setup and initial responses to what I'm getting for about 54 euros, guys. I think it's great. For about 50, 45, $50, this is what you get. It's basically bright in here, bright enough in here to do my reviews, to do what I have to do, and I like it. I'm feeling it. And what I like most about these lights, I'm thinking now, on the photography side, if I could get a power source, something portable to take outside, this will be probably perfect for a little bit of fill light for photo shoots and stuff like that outside. It's not as rugged, or how to say, it's not as sturdy enough as I would say to go on shoots like rigorous all the time, but maybe once in a while out in the park, something on the mile scale. I think these guys will probably do a great job, and I'm really feeling the heat coming off of these lamps. They're doing a great job. And guys, this is the Neewer softbox lamp, and I'm really feeling them right now, really enjoying them. I can't believe how much light I'm getting. It's beautiful. Can't wait to see how this enhances the quality of my videos. Again, check out my unboxing of the boy mic. Tell me how my levels sound right now as you're hearing me with the new mic, and also tell me what you think of the lighting that I'm getting on, basically budget spending. I think it's great. See you in the next one. Peace. Wake up! Thank you for tuning in to another installment of Jpegsrawmedia. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope to see you back soon. And remember, I don't need you to smash that like button. I don't need you to crush that like button. I need you to destroy it. And don't forget, you can subscribe right here on our channel. And don't forget to stay tuned for new videos that we may have right up here. Please stay tuned. We will be right back. Jpegsrawmedia.